Adobe Premiere Rush Converter Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering using Adobe Premiere Rush to convert your videos, this review will give you everything you need to know, quickly and clearly. Links to the product are in the description below. Adobe Premiere Rush is designed for creators who need a fast, efficient video editing and exporting solution across devices. It's a streamlined tool that combines the essential features of Adobe's pro-grade editors into a beginner-friendly interface. And yes, it includes built-in video conversion when exporting in different resolutions, formats, and aspect ratios. But here's the honest truth. While Premiere Rush is great for basic edits and fast turnarounds, it is not a dedicated converter. It does let you export in various formats like MP4 with adjustable resolution and frame rates, making it suitable for quick social media posts, YouTube uploads, or mobile-first content, but it lacks advanced format control, codecs, and batch conversions that power users or professionals may expect from a dedicated converter. That said, for its target audience, content creators, vloggers, social media managers, and even beginners, it hits the mark by simplifying the process. It runs smoothly on both desktop and mobile, and projects sync across devices via Adobe Creative Cloud. If you're deep into the Adobe ecosystem, this is a lightweight companion to Premiere Pro, not a replacement. And yes, it can handle most export needs for casual users and small-scale creators. But if you're looking for high-end transcoding, lossless exports, or multi-format batch processing, you'd be better off pairing it with Adobe Media Encoder or a specialized converter like Handbrake. Overall, Premiere Rush delivers what it promises: fast, clean, cross-platform editing with basic exporting built in. It's not a pro converter, but for what it is, it works well. If that aligns with your needs, it's worth a try. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews to help others make smart tech choices.